What is your full home remodel gonna cost right here in Stockton, California? Let's dive into that. First, I wanna talk about what constitutes a full home remodel. Here at KHB, that would mean it's a custom kitchen, at least 2 bathrooms, all the flooring in the home, carpentry, and paint of the entire home. Now, this could have structural components, it could be a like-for-like remodel, but we are touching the entire home. To start this off, I wanna talk about your new kitchen in this full home remodel. This kitchen is gonna be a custom kitchen, meaning that there is custom fabricated cabinets. We possibly are moving the layout of the kitchen, so maybe adding an island, relocating an island, moving appliance locations, so on and so forth. This will also have custom fabricated countertops, new tile backsplash or slab backsplash, new plumbing fixtures, paint, new lighting, under cabinet lighting, the whole 9 yards. Now this kitchen historically would come out to around $85,000. Now this is a general kind of historical number. It could be less than, could be more than, depending on what you select and the size of your kitchen. Next up, I want to talk about the master bathroom. This bathroom typically has a double vanity, a walk-in shower, a toilet location, possibly some linen storage, maybe a freestanding tub. For this example, it's gonna have all of that. And in this master bathroom transformation, we are doing new custom cabinets, so a new custom vanity, a new walk-in shower with a hand-floated pan, floated walls, either slab or tile walls as well, with a niche and a shower head, diverter, and valve system. We'll be doing a freestanding tub, as well as a new toilet location. So we will be moving and reconfiguring this bathroom. Now, once again, same caveat as the kitchen, this bathroom could have structural components like blowing out a wall and making this bathroom bigger, or it could be like for like. But with all that said, this bathroom historically is starting off around $65,000. Could be higher, could be lower, depending on the size of the bathroom, the full scope of work, and what you select. After this master bath, the hall bathroom would take priority in this remodel. And this hall bathroom is primarily for guests and usually has 1 vanity location with 1 sink. Now in this bathroom, we still will be doing all the things we did in that master bath, including the custom shower, glass, flooring, lighting, custom cabinetry, countertops, plumbing fixtures, the whole 9 yards. This bath typically starts off around $45,000, and same caveat, could be higher, could be lower, depending on what you select. Next up is flooring, and for this example, I'm gonna use the 2,000 square foot home, single story, so no staircase, no handrails, no balusters, banister, nothing up there. Just 1 flat story, 2,000 square feet. This would include demolition, prep of your subfloor, whether it's raised or slab, install of a new LVP flooring at a $399 square foot allowance, and install of baseboard throughout the home. This historically would come out to around $20,000. And this $20,000, once again, depending on materials, it could be higher if you're going with maybe an engineered hardwood or a true hardwood, or a little bit lower if you're going with something less than that $399 allowance. Last but not least, to button up this full home remodel is gonna be painting the entire home. And we're doing this because we have a lot of drywall repair in this kitchen, master bath, hall bath, potentially above the baseboard, depending on the height of the new baseboard. We are gonna have to prep and paint this entire home. On average, it's gonna be around $15,000. If you do have some cabinetry that's existing in the home and that's gonna be refinished, this number will be higher, more in that $20,000 to $25,000 range. But $15,000, good allowance if you're doing walls, trim, and ceiling, and you can count on that for your full home transformation. So if you were keeping track, that total number for a baseline full home remodel in Stockton, California is $230,000. Now, there are a lot of ways to finance this project. I know not a lot of people have just $230,000 laying around. You could do a construction to perm loan, which is something we talked about on our podcast. It's a great option. HELOC is a great option. Cash out refinancing using that equity, or just straight up getting a secondary loan. Now, if you're interested in financing a project, please give us a call. We would love to talk to you about that. Or if you have any questions about your full home remodel right there in Stockton, call us, drop a line on the website, and we will talk to you soon.